When you have logged into Canva, click on the Create a Design button on the left-hand side. Navigate down to the type of document that you want to create. In this case, we need to go down to Blogging and Books and choose Book Cover. Now you will see a blank page in the middle of the screen and a wide choice of free cover design templates on the left-hand side that you can use as the starting point for your ebook cover design. Click on any one of these and it will appear on your canvas. To change it, just click on a different design until you find something that you are happy with. Then you can start editing the content. Click on a text box to change the text. You have a font menu up here. You can change the size and the colour of the text. You can click on the picture to resize it or to crop it. And then click the tick when you are happy with what you have created. There is an upload icon on the left-hand side which allows you to upload your own image. You can add elements like horizontal lines or illustrations. You can also add pre-formatted blocks of text. You can save your design as you are working on it from the File menu. And when you are finished, you have the option to share it and to download it. When you hover your mouse over the book cover icon on the Create a Design page, you will see the default dimensions of the book cover appear underneath. If you want to create a book cover to your own dimensions, then go to the top of the page and click on the Use Custom Dimensions button. You can then add in your own dimensions, but keep in mind, if you do this, you won't get the full range of design templates that you get if you choose the default cover size. You only get some pretty basic templates that you can use. When you have logged into Canva, click on the Create a Design button on the left-hand side. Navigate down to the type of document that you want to create. In this case, we need to go down to Blogging and Books and choose Book Cover.